The United States already had experience using shotguns in combat, especially during the Philippine-American War around 1900. In dense jungle fighting at extremely short ranges, shotguns had proven highly effective. General John Pershing remembered those lessons when American troops were sent to Europe. On his initiative, shotguns were tested for use in trench warfare. The most famous example was the Winchester Model 1897. It was heavily modified for combat use: shortened barrel, metal heat shield, bayonet mount, specialized 12-gauge buckshot ammunition. Each shot sent multiple lead pellets tearing through narrow trenches with devastating effect.